Hello everyone. In this video, we will study about the universality of rights. Rights is an important topic of political theory. So first of all, starting the video, we will know what is the significance of rights in political theory. The values like rights, liberty, justice, they form the cornerstone of the study of political theory. Rights is an important concept which is an indispensable part of studying the political theory. By studying the meaning of rights, its basic postulates, basic ideas, and why it is different from such privileges, entitlements, we will get to know what is the significance of rights in political theory. So let's start. Before starting, we will know what is the definition of rights. So what are rights? Rights are those social claims which are, देखो, राइट्स का हम डेफिनेशन हम जानेंगे तो उसका दो एस्पेक्ट हमें याद रखना है. ओके, these are the two implications which we have to remember. So rights are those social claims which are provided by the society, which are granted by the society, which are emanated from the society, and these are guaranteed by the state. Rights are those social claims. These are the claims which are provided by the society or which are created by the society and is guaranteed and protected by the state. That means rights are those claims which are emanated from, which are created from the society. And who are the creator of these rights? Society is the creator of these rights. And who are the guarantor of these rights? State is the guarantor of these rights. Rights are not considered as claims, or claims are not considered as rights as long as these are not provided by the society or guaranteed by the state. If our rights are violated, then we should approach to the state, and state should take actions in order to protect our rights. That means we are enjoying rights. Or the rights which are recognized by the society, the rights should have the recognition of the society. The society should accept this set of claims are rights, otherwise they cannot be considered as rights. So this is very important to remember, that rights are the claims which are recognized by the society and enforced and maintained by the society. So remember these lines which I have written here, that rights are enforced by the society, enforced by the state, maintained by the state, protected by the state, guaranteed by the state. And on the other side, this is granted by the society, provided by the society, emanated from the society, recognized by the society. If anyone will ask, who is the creator of these rights? That means society is the creator of the rights. And who is the guarantor and defender of these rights? State are the guarantor and defender of the rights. If these rights are not recognized by the society, then they are only empty claims. And it is not enforced and maintained by the state, then they are only powerless claims. They have no meaning. Is it clear? So rights are not merely claims, they are social claims. Why they are social claims? The word social claim signifies that these claims are originated from the society, which make meaning, which makes sense, the original concept of the rights. Or so society grants or recognizes the rights. We know, we got to know that society is the creator of the rights. Society is granting the rights to the people. So आज what? आज rights to the member of society. Right जो create हो रहा है by the society, society grant कर रहा है, but किसको grant कर रहा है? As the member of the society. By virtue of being member in the society, society is giving some rights to the people in form of some claims, and in which form? In form of rewards as a response to the duty of individuals have performed. तो जैसे कि पहले टाइम में मोनार्की होता था. मोनार्की में अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट अच्छा काम किया करते थे तो उनको जो किंग रहते थे सम रिवॉर्ड देते थे. And as the king is giving rewards to the subject for his good work, then he is recognized by the king, and this performance become an example for the rest of the subjects to be observed, so that we can also enjoy this reward. As such, that society is granting to the rights to the citizens or to the members of the society by virtue of being member in form of rewards or claims as the duty of individuals have performed. Is it clear? Then the next point is rights are the claims, but we should not be confused with power, entitlements, or privileges enjoyed by the people in ancient medieval time. So जो राइट्स होता है दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द पावर प्रिविलेजेस एंड एंटाइटलमेंट. दिस आर नॉट सेम एज पावर प्रिविलेजेस एंड एंटाइटलमेंट जो कि एंशिएंट मेडाइवल टाइम में किया करते थे. जैसे कि जो था डिवाइन राइट थ्योरी, देन द struggle between the politics and the church. So they have the unlimited power. This power should not be confused with rights. How? Why? What are the difference between the power and privileges and these rights? Nature has bestowed every individual with a certain amount of power. If a person has power, it does not mean he also has those rights. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि हॉब्सियन स्टेट ऑफ नेचर में हम अगर देखेंगे, हॉब्सियन स्टेट ऑफ नेचर वॉज ए स्टेट ऑफ एनार्की. दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ द बैड विल. Hobbes interpreted the pessimistic nature of human being. Every human being is given certain amount of power, and there was the situation of Matsya. Okay, the bigger fish started to eat the smaller fish, and there is no liberty, no rights, and anything. Can we recognize these sort of power, these sort of claims as rights? No. Rights cannot be considered as the unlimited form of power. Rights is always granted by the society and grants to them who are the members of the society. As a social being, member of the society enjoy certain rights, but they have no power. That means they, अगर उनके पास राइट्स है बट ऐसा नहीं है राइट्स है बोल के वो लोग मनमर्जी अपना जितना अनलिमिटेड पावर अनलिमिटेड फ्रीडम एंजॉय करेंगे. दे हैव सर्टेन बाउंड्री टू एक्सरसाइज. डेट्स वाई हॉब्सन स्टेट ऑफ नेचर में वही लिमिटेशन था डेट लोगों के पास अनलिमिटेड पावर था एंड दे हैव नॉट सर्टेन बाउंड्री टू वर्क. डेट्स वाई द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मशीनिया सिचुएशन स्टेट ऑफ एनार्की दे स्टार्टेड टू किल themselves for some sort of recognition. So जो राइट्स होता है वो अनलिमिटेड नहीं होता है, एक पर्टिकुलर स्फीयर होता है, उसका अनलिमिटेड फ्रीडम नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टूड? वी हैव सर्टेन सेट ऑफ लिमिटेशन टू एक्सरसाइज आवर राइट्स. आवर राइट्स शुड नॉट hamper the right of other person. Okay, an isolated person has no rights. He has unlimited power as the Hobbesian state of nature, no restriction in his freedom. But in a civilized society in modern times, rights has a different connotation. Rights have always a restricted freedom, restricted boundary to work upon them. So now we will further forward the clear distinction between rights and privileges. Rights are our claims, no other are other claims on us. राइट्स वही क्लेम्स होता है जो हम हमारे लिए क्लेम करते हैं. फॉर एज एंटाइटलमेंट वो होता है जो ग्रांट किया जाता है फ्यू लोगों के द्वारा. जैसे कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि राइट्स आर यूनिवर्सल इन नेचर. दिस आर ग्रांटेड बाय द सोसाइटी टू एवरी पर्सन, बट व्हेयरएज entitlement is granted by the some person and can be applied to the limited person. Rights are given to all without any discrimination, but these entitlements are given to the limited person, selected few person. Okay, then third distinction, they are obtained as a matter of right and they are obtained as a matter of patronage. Okay, this is important. Rights are granted to the person as a matter of right are the claims which are recognized and protected by the society and state respectively, but these privileges are obtained as a matter of patronage. Okay, and this emanated the concept rights emanate the concept of the democratic society, whereas the privileges and entitlements reflect the condition of undemocratic system. This reflects the system of feudal monarchical system which is not considered under the scope of democracy. So hence these claims So these social claims, these rights have different connotation. That means claim to have something like right to life, right to work, right to equality. They claim to do something like freedom of expression, freedom of association. Claim not to be treated in certain way, like ऐसे भी राइट होता है कि हमें ये वाला वे में जैसे कोई लोग हमें ट्रीट कर रहे हैं वैसे हमें नहीं करना है, लाइक राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, जैसे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन किया जा रहा है हमें वैसे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन नहीं किया जाना चाहिए, उसके लिए भी राइट होता है, इसीलिए इसको बोल रहे हैं क्लेम नॉट टू बी ट्रीटेड इन सर्टेन वे. Then right against discrimination, the discrimination which were prevailing in the ancient time are should be restricted. Those were the rights were emanated from the society as right against discrimination. So rights are claims allowed by others as obligation and duty. The right which are enjoyed by the person side nearby my side should be respected, the should be respected by me. ओके जो राइट्स मेरे सामने वाला इंसान एंजॉय कर रहा है उसको रेस्पेक्ट देना मेरा राइट है, और आज वी कैन से दिस इज माई ड्यूटी सो दैट आई कैन एंजॉय माई राइट्स एंड दैट पर्सन शुड. So rights are considered as rights when this is recognized and respected by the side by person. That only we can enjoy the real meaning of rights. So rights are rights when they are recognized by others as such. In such, we can say that rights are those social claims which are granted by the society, protected, guaranteed, and enforced by the state, and also this should be recognized by others as such. Then only the true meaning of rights can be ensured. And another thing, why the state is why the state is protecting our rights, and whereas society is recognizing the rights for us, because the realization of the best self of the individual. Why the concept of rights is making very much significance, because rights are very much essential to realize one's best self. अगर हमारे पास राइट नहीं होगा, मेरे पास अगर पढ़ने का राइट नहीं होगा, देन मैं कैसे अपना बेस्ट सेल्फ अचीव करूँगी. अगर मेरे पास कोई मेरा पेशेंट को फॉलो करने के लिए राइट्स नहीं होगा, देन आई कैन नॉट रीच द बेस्ट सेल्फ. So in order to reach my best self, rights are very much essential. So this is all about the concept, which are the general concept we should know about the rights. In next video we will study about the characteristics of rights. Okay, thank you so much.